Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you like the content which I'm going to share with you or you enjoy while you're watching, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and turn your notifications. Have you ever thought that how your friend or relative got a good deal from Amazon or Flipkart? If you want to buy product at its lowest price, then this video is for you guys. Please watch this video till the end so you don't miss out any important information. Always check your product price after you order the item. Chances are that product price may even fall down. So you can see in this example I have ordered this product in a 2499 rupees, but after some time after I ordered, the product price has gone even down, that is 1899 rupees. So this is one example. I have a lot of example. I've experienced a lot of things like this. So another example is there, like I have ordered Acer 27 inches 165 hertz monitor. So it was pricing at the time 15,799 rupees. So next day onwards I saw the price 13,898 rupees. So then obviously if I'm getting a good deal, I will cancel it and then I buy this thing, because I always order from the COD, cash on delivery. So guys, next is the get Amazon Prime and get your deals, shipping free. You get unlimited free fast delivery. You get videos, music, gaming and more. You can see this. You can even grab the best deals first. So it's only 129 rupees per month. What if I tell you guys, there is a page on Amazon, many of the best deal happens to be hidden on this special section on Amazon as a bargain finds. So you just have to type here as a bargain finds on Amazon India. So this is this page guys. You get many deals over here at a lower price. You can check it out on yourself. I will be giving you the link in the description. There are electronic items, there are men's items. You can check it out on your own. So guys, next tip is that there is a plugin on the web. It's named BuyHutK. So you have to just install this BuyHutK Google Chrome plugin. See, this is it guys. So this is a plugins web page. So you can install this plugin from here. I will be giving you the link in the description. You can check it out. So what happens like, so you can see this product over here. It's pricing at 6,499 rupees. And if I check its history, okay, I think you're not able to see. So guys, what it does, like it shows you the price graph. So you can see the price graph. So currently the price is 6499. Earlier it was 8995. So you can see the whole history and you can buy accordingly. So here you can see the lowest price till date it was 5,999. Lowest price was 5,999. So currently the price is only just 500 more. So if you want to wait till this price becomes 5,999, you can wait for it. Even you can check in a month price drop, how much chances are there. They are saying 62% chances, but it's upon you. If you are in hurry, then you can buy with only 500 rupees more, like of the lowest price. Then it gives you the the idea. So what was the maximum price? So is it a good deal or not? So guys, next tip is that buy seasonal items before the season starts. Say there is a rainy season is going to come in the next month, so you can buy the rainy items in the May month or April month. Don't wait till in the June when the rainy season comes to buy an umbrella. So next thing is that if you're buying like ACs, so buy those ACs in a rainy season, air conditioners. So that is the tip, guys. So if you see right now, the AC's prices will very less, because now it's rainy season. So that is it, guys. So guys, my last three tips are always always check the product on the manufacturer's site. So this is a Logitech G431 headphone. So you can check it out, its price on the manufacturer's site. So this is a Logitech site. So here it's mentioned its MRP as 7,995, guys. So you can check all the specifications. Here you will get more detailed specification of the item. So you can guys also check here, the MRP is mentioned here 7,995, and it is at discount 6,499. So the another tip is that whenever you buy this item, make sure you register it on the manufacturer's website, so that there is no this thing that you get a duplicate item, or even you will get a your warranty will be extended. Sometimes they offers the extended warranty if you register on their website. So another tip is that whenever you buy pricey items, so like 5,000 rupees items or big items, so always try to buy from these sellers from Amazon. Appareo Retail Private Limited, this is a very good seller from Amazon. They delivers on time. Even if something happens, they take back the delivery. And another one is the Cloudtail India. So this is also very good the supplier on the Amazon. So this is the it. So guys, finally, hope you like my video, and I'm sorry if there are any mistakes in my language. Thank you guys for watching it, and please subscribe so that you don't miss these types of videos in future. And thank you. Have a nice day.